It's time to get you motivated to move for the sake of sleep. Did you know that working out can actually improve the quality of your sleep? And we like good sleep. So let's learn how and why it works. Helping us get better sleep is Randy Whitman from Frog Temple Pilates. Randy, thank you for joining us. Now, we know Pilates is great for our physical health, but how does it benefit our sleep?
Well, Pilates makes such a difference in having a great night's sleep. It combines breath work with movement, so it really helps you to use your breath work to ease your mind, to settle down anxiety, let go of stresses, and help you to just clear your head to be able to rest at night. Your body will learn and you won't have to think about it. So once you lay down, you automatically tune back into the exercises that you had done on the equipment or on the mat.
How often do we need to practice Pilates to reap the benefits of good sleep?
At least 2-3 times a week. And if you can't come into the studio, then you can practice this at home. I send people home with homework all the time. Like anything, you want to build this habit, and to build the habit, it takes repetition.
Can doing Pilates benefit everyone at any age, no matter what your fitness level?
It's safe for everyone. It makes a difference for everyone. I work with people of all ages, all fitness levels.
So today you're going to show us some useful exercises that can help us get better Z's.
So this one is called the roll-up. And here at the studio, we have these straps on the end of the mat to kind of hook your feet, but you can always hook your feet under a chair or under a bed. But you're going to start sitting up, keeping your knees bent, taking a big breath in. And as you exhale, start to curl back, still holding on or not if you don't need to. And then just come back up. So you inhale here at the top, and then exhale, start to bend your spine, rolling back. And you come back up. A movement helps you breathe, and the breathing helps you move. So they really do go hand in hand.
Okay, exercise number 2 sounds like fun. It's called rolling like a ball.
You're gonna start, actually to learn it, we start holding the hamstring. And you just roll back, just like it sounds. So you inhale to go back, and you exhale to come back up. Not letting your feet touch the ground, there are rules. And not letting your head slam into the mat back there.
Exercise number 3 is what?
So spine stretch, seated on your bottom with your legs just a little bit apart. You take your arms forward. Start with an inhale. And on your exhale, you want to feel like you're going up and over a beach ball. So you're going to lift your center, ground your spine, hang your head.
What do you want us to remember?
Pilates will make a big difference in helping you get a good night's sleep. Using your breath to increase your lung capacity, to settle down your thoughts, to settle down your mind at the end of the day, and help you to just ease into a good night's sleep.
All right, we all need to try Pilates if we're looking for better quality sleep. Thank you so much, Randy. Okay, now we want to hear from you. Do you practice Pilates? Snap a picture and tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. All right, if you liked this video and you want more information about living a healthy life, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.